Hello traders, the title of the video is how to use Elliott wave forecasts without wasting money. Alright, we want to talk about money. You don't want to waste your money. How do you use Elliott wave forecast without wasting money? Alright, so there are a lot of Elliott wave forecast services out there. Alright, that traders are using, alright, to time the market correctly, to time the market more precisely, alright. So I'm not here to criticize those services, alright, but all I do on YouTube, I provide, educational material to traders that want to master the Elliott wave theory. But in this tutorial, I want to bring out a very important point that is hurting, many Elliott wave traders out there. In a financial market, alright, one should never trust somebody else, alright? That's the first thing that you need to understand. You should not trust anybody else. It doesn't mean that you should not respect the experience of Elliott wave traders. Somebody that has been providing the service for years, he got some experience, and you'll be completely crazy to show total disrespect to that person. But it does not mean that you do not have a responsibility when you go and purchase, Elliott wave forecast service. What is happening is that very often people will purchase Elliott wave forecast services, they pay a lot of money for that, and they will tell them that the price will go up from here to here, or they should sell here or exit the trade somewhere here. Those are just guidelines, those are just recommendations, but one should not take it as an exact science and just apply it. The reason why I'm saying this, when one start trading first, I see sometime in the comment section, I can quickly detect sometime whether some traders are very new or not. It's because if you are very new in the financial market, or if you have been making money by chance as you start investing in the financial market, you can get carried away and you can get into believing things. It's nothing wrong to believe, but what I'm saying to you, apart from the belief, there are work and responsibility that are involved. So new traders very often will buy Elliott wave forecast services, and then they will throw all their money on it only to lose. And then they will blame the service provider and say, your service is poor, it's a scam, it's this, it's that. But the point I'm making here is that the service that they are providing to you, I hope they are telling you that is not an exact science, that the price can do something else. That's why very often in my video, I usually draw a line and I will say to trader, prior to bullish signal above and prior to bear signal below. At that point in time, after all the blah, 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 I try to highlight that, telling traders that the price can still go up, though we are expecting it to go down. There's a high chance it may still go up, all right? All right? So I want to show you something now, So if you're a new trader, you purchase Elliott wave forecast service, you still need to do your own homework. You are using it, all right, as a guide to implement a viable strategy. You are using the Elliott wave forecast to plan ahead, meaning that it will help you to manage the trade, to exit the trade, to set your stop loss, to time the market more accurately. That's the purpose of an Elliott wave forecast. It will help you to plan ahead, to manage, exit, and set stop loss. It will also, the great advantage of Elliott wave forecast is that it helps traders to time the market, to have the bit of idea what is likely to happen. And when it is happening, they can take advantage of it. But sometimes some traders find it very difficult because of their level, or because of their expectation, or because they become a little bit emotional, which usually happen, and they start, becoming a little bit irrational. All right? If you are becoming irrational, you need to stop trading for a while. That's very important. Otherwise, you're going to end up making too much noise, and not only that, you will lose money. And we don't want that. We don't want that at all. So look at the price here, okay? So suppose you are here. So an Elliott wave technician, an Elliott wave expert, an Elliott wave practitioner, looking at this chart, we say this is a multi-way, all right? So look what the price did here. I'm trying to help you to understand what is going through the mind of those who are forecasting the market using the Elliott wave, and those who are purchasing those services. So Elliott wave traders see, did they say, you see here, it came down 1, and then it went back up 2, and then it went down, that's 3, and then it went up again 4, and then it came down 5. So after it trending first, the price came down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you can see that the price, you can see in this section here, if you consider, that it went up like this, and then came down like that, and then go up like this, all right? What is going to go through the mind of somebody who is forecasting the market? That trader will be forecasting that the price has a high chance to come down again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forming the zigzag pattern. So he will say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This section here, 1, 2, 3. This section here, all right. And then he will be forecasting that the price will come down, which it did, but not like 1, 2. He will be forecasting that it will come down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. The price did turn around here, but it didn't do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is the person that was forecasting the market using the Elliott wave principle wrong here? No. The forecast is correct according to the Elliott wave theory. The recommendation, the projection is correct according to the Elliott wave forecast. But we can improve that forecast, we can improve that recommendation, we can improve that projection, telling traders that the price can do something else. Talking about Fibonacci pattern traders, XA, thinking of, crab pattern, Gatley pattern, and so on, and so on. We can predict that the price can go down only to the 38.2% level of this move from here to here, or continue to go down even up to the 88.6% Fibonacci retracement level of this move from here to here. So that will be additional information that we can give to those who are prepared to use our services at the time when we are forecasting the market. So suppose you purchase that service when the price was here. So the door ties 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. You see, so yes, this person is the man. He's done it for my uncle, he's done it for my cousin, and you sell here. It goes down a bit, you continue to sell because you see it's only one, it's going to go down more. I should open triple, and then you sell again here. Some of the trade, so probably you didn't close this trade, the first one, and the price now here it is going up. Is the forecast wrong? The forecast is not wrong, as I was telling you now, all right? There are more to this. We want to use, what I say to trader, the person who should use the Elliott wave forecast should be somebody who understands the Elliott wave theory. So, like a trading company that is trading many financial instruments should be the first client for Elliott wave forecast service. So he needs help, he needs somebody to do, the work for him. So the person will provide the service, he will take it, but he will use it, to implement a viable strategy. He will use it to improve, his market timing. He will use it to manage his trade, to exit the trade, to set stop loss, and to time the market, and to implement a viable strategy. All right. So the exercise I'm doing here is to help you to understand what's going on. So stay with me, please, because I told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I told you 1, 2, 3. But in fact, if you look carefully here, you see, so that's what we are saying to traders. Now it becomes clear to us what the price has done since then, since 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down here. What the price has done up to this point. I will explain it to you in a minute. If you agree with me, you can see that the price went up like this, and then we have a pullback. That's one. Move from here down. That's so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it's true. We can say 1, 2, 3. But if you look a little bit deeper, we can still say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right? Because of what has happened now. And then we can say 1, you see, it's a bit of change here. 2, if you agree. In this session, you try to return the movement 50. 2, and then 3. So you may say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. All right? All right? And then we'll be saying, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. So here, this is what's going to remind us today. Look carefully here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. You see? And some people try to sell here. So there are things going through the mind of traders as the price going up, people counting away. That's what we say. Go into the mind of other traders and see what's going through their mind so you may understand exactly what is taking place. Another trader may say to me, George, looking at this price, all I see, it went up like a child, one move, and then he pulled back like a child will count it. It went down, and then it went up like this. I don't want to know about what has gone on between those 2 points. Went up, pulled back, 3. Another trader may say, George, it's again 1, okay, 2, or 3. All right? And another may say to me, George, in fact, is this again 1, okay, 2, 3. All right? So why am I doing that kind of exercise? So what we are doing here, we are trying to look at the chart. We are trying to analyze the charts like another trader may see it. So you may see one way, another trader may see one way. And you may say to me, what that got to do with how to use Elliott wave forecast without wasting money? Here it comes. The person or the company that is providing the service for Elliott wave forecast should also highlight to those people that are purchasing their services the other scenario. So they see one way and they make their forecast accordingly, and they think that their forecast is correct. Nothing wrong with that. I'm not criticizing them, okay? But what they should add also is to tell traders that another group of market participants may see in a different way, and this is also how they may see. So apart from the scenario that I'm forecasting, there could be other scenario. So the person that is purchasing the Elliott wave forecast is also aware that there is a possibility that another scenario may appear instead of taking the forecast as an exact science. All right. So I think it's an essential topic. That's why I'm recording this video today, to help traders that are coming to the market that are start using Elliott wave forecast. Because sometimes traders ask me, do you know any service that's providing Elliott wave forecast? Do you know any Elliott wave forecast software, and so on and so on? Traders are trying all things. But because I've been there and I know how it's like, so you try trading fast, all right? You are making some money, you are getting to it, you are learning about all sorts of technical indicators. Now you are discovering Elliott wave, now it's becoming very exciting, and you are learning Fibonacci, and then the fractal, and then you are making money, you are losing money, but on average, you are losing more than you are winning. But it's not too bad yet. And you want to improve, nothing wrong with that. But the reason why I want to let you know what I'm discussing here so that you may know what is happening in the financial market, sharing my experience with you so you do not waste money. All right? So when you purchase the Elliott Wave forecast from somebody, all right, you want to understand what I've said to them so you can use it carefully. The best client for Elliott Wave forecast services are those who understand first the Elliott Wave. How can you use Elliott Wave forecast if you do not understand Elliott Wave? Now, there can be some recommendation. So if you're a fundamental trader, you do not understand Elliott Wave theory, you can outsource that information. But in that case, what you are about to do is to implement, all right, a variable, all right, fundamental investing or trading with the service that you have purchased. You are a fundamental trader. You don't know anything about Elliott Wave, but you know that there are other traders out there that are using Elliott Wave. Now you purchase the service for the forecast, but you are not going to use the service alone to buy or sell. You will use it in conjunction with your variable, fundamental, okay, investing or trading strategy. That's how the Elliott Wave will be useful to you. So, for instance, a fundamental trader that bought a stock, he's buying, he's well working beautifully. He wants to know when the market is likely to correct, where the correction is likely to begin. So, an Elliott Wave trader that looking at this chart will say, gee, there was a trend in fact, there was a correction. The S&P 500 is in the fourth wave. We are likely to see a bit of pullback. If you were buying this stock for a year, there is a high chance that we may see the C manner wave of the flat correction this session. But the price can still break above that level and go up more. That would be a recommendation for a fundamental trader. So what a fundamental trader will do, he is sitting on all this paper money for a year. He may say, well, I have a warning from Elliott Wave forecast that we may see a bit of pullback. What I will do, I will sell half of my position and keep the half there. That what that person is doing, what that business is doing, is that he or she is using the Elliott Wave forecast to implement a viable, okay, investing or trading strategy. All right, you see now? All right, or an Elliott Wave trader at this point in time when the price was here, all right, may provide a service which is true, a trending file. Now we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He will say the price now at 78.3% Fibonacci retracement level. We will place the trading volume there. We'll see whether there is a surge in trading volume, which there was. There was a surge in trading volume at that point in time. You see, at that point in time. And he or she, the service provider, will say, you have a surge in trading volume. That's what George said. And we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's a high chance the price will bounce up 1, 2, 3. All right. So the Federal Reserve also. So if the person is a fundamental trader, you already understand the Federal Reserve is changing the quantitative. Is talking about ending the quantitative easing and so on and so on and so on. All right. You see now. So that person, fundamental trader, may decide to buy because of the information provided by Elliott Wave forecast. All right. Or a technical trader that want to swing trade and day trade may determine the hot spot trading zone using the Elliott Wave theory. So somebody says that it will go down from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You may say, all right, we will see. So it goes down, it pull back like this. Now the common sense is put here. You swing trader, you implement a top-down trading method to sell. Yes or no? And you wait again. You want to sell because it says it's going to go down. So again, it went up. And now the common setting is kaput. You implement a top-down trading method to sell. Isn't it good for somebody who is a technical trader who does not know anything about Elliott Wave to have that service? Good. All right. So personally, I do not provide Elliott Wave forecast services. I teach trader on YouTube and also at 24elliottwave.com how somebody who wants to learn to master the Elliott Wave can do it. Okay, by themselves, all right? So that's what I'm doing here. So to avoid too much blah blah blah, because sometimes I see traders that subscribe to our channel, but in fact, what those traders are looking for, they are looking for Elliott wave forecast services. Somebody who will tell them buy here, sell here. Sometimes one can say to a trader, buy here. So why are we telling people to buy here, which I do not do? I'm very, very conservative person. I'll put a line there. I will say priority to bullish signal above and priority to bearish signal below, because the price can still go down. All right? You see? So you can say buy here. So people buy. Price went up. They say, wow, you are the man. Sell here. Then it went down. Very good. All right, buy here. Hey, then it went up. You say, oh, you are the man. Sell here. Yeah, continue to sell. Continue to sell. Now the price is going up. What are you going to say? That person is not God, all right? So I think I have managed to brainwash you today, barking about how to use Elliott wave forecast without wasting money. So if you are somebody you know that you can learn and master the Elliott wave yourself, you can save a lot of money. Subscribe to 24 Elliott Wave. Visit 24elliottwave.com. All right? Or if you don't want to waste money, understand that the forecast is not a certainty, it's not guarantee, it's a projection, all right? It's an estimation, all right? It's to have a bit of idea what is likely to take place. If you purchase it, that's the first thing that should take in your mind. The best way to use Elliott wave forecast is to use it to implement a variable strategy. So you have your own strategy, you need the help. So you go and get, all right, the Elliott wave forecast to help your strategy. I'm not saying that it will definitely help your strategy. Some of the traders who are technical traders may not even need that. But, all right, but if you don't know anything about Elliott wave, that's what is going to happen. You can use the Elliott wave forecast to plan ahead, meaning that managing the trade that you are already in, suppose it's all working good, and you start saying, so what's next? All right, I remember one time when I started trading place, I bought the FTSE 100 one morning. All right, I just buy it. I know that I was using technical. I bought like a 5 position. They all just going up, and I'm thinking, what should I do now? What should I do now? What should I do now? That was really funny. All right, really funny. How far is it going to go? When is it going to end? Then I start closing stuff, and the whole day the price just went up. The whole day the price went up, and I grabbed my peanut profit and went away. Wouldn't it be nice to know what is likely to happen a bit? That will help you. So that's how traders use, all right, the Elliott wave forecast. Most importantly, one will use the Elliott wave forecast to improve market timing. Those who are fundamental traders, those who are calling Elliott wave mambo jumbo, I can assure you the Elliott wave theory and principle will help you to see clearly, not only to see clearly, but to see through the price. All right? So I hope you will find this video useful and we put into use to improve, okay, your trading or investing strategy. If this video has been truly useful to you, please let us know by giving us your beautiful thumbs up. If you dislike it, mark it down. If you think it's an essential tutorial that can help other Elliott wave traders, feel free to share with your friend on Google+, on Twitter, and also on Facebook. Alright? If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, this is the time. Subscribe to our channel, please. Alright, it is free. And click on the notification bell, so anytime we record a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW24 traders, talking about how to use Elliott wave forecast without wasting money. Happy trading to you all, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you for watching. The financial instrument that we are analyzing today is AFLAC, is that correct? AFLAC Incorporated, belonging to the financial services sector, insurance, life.